Dave with Outdoor More to Explore, and we've been full-time RVing for a while now. And a lot of people have asked us, what does the RV look like on the inside? So we thought we would take you on a quick tour and show you where we live. So come on in. So let me tell you just a little bit about our RV. We have a 2015 Tiffin Phaeton 40 AH. AH is our floor plan and we absolutely love it. We couldn't be happier with the comfort, and the overall layout is really awesome. The livability is really terrific for full-time living and just overall comfort. So before I walk you through our family room, let me take you through just a couple features we love up front in the RV. With the driver's seat and the passenger seat, both of these spin around and they add extra seating for the RV, which is really terrific. So we love those. We've got LED TVs, which are really awesome for lower energy consumption. And as a full-time RVer trying to manage energy, that's really been terrific as well. So moving into our family room, this is our family room area. Taking a look, we have an L-shaped sofa. The sofa actually pulls out, and when we travel and get ready to head down the road, we pop it down and slide it in. It stores really easily. We also have a queen size fold out bed. So when we have guests and people that stay over, want to spend the night with us, that gives us lots of extra sleeping space, and that's just really been terrific to have as well. So moving through the RV, one of the things I especially love is we have beautiful cabinets. We have a lot of them. They give us plenty of storage for full-time RV living. And if you come just a little bit farther down, one of the best things about the cabinets is that they're really deep. So we get an opportunity to have plenty of kitchen items, paper towels, like lots of stuff that we need for RV living. And moving right along, this is our recliner. It's super comfortable. That is one of the great things about the Tiffin RV, is that the furnishings are really, really comfortable. So that's practical when you live in these full time. We also have a beautiful fireplace. Not only is it really cozy, but we get a great amount of heat coming from the fireplace as well on those cold, rainy, damp days. It really takes the chill out of the RV, so love that. Little bit forward and we have our booth. We consider this sort of our dining area and also our workstation. You can see that under each of the seats we have a great amount of storage, which gives us lots of space for things that we want to take on the road with us. We also have, on this side, we use these as our pantry. So these are where we keep our snacks and cereal. Lots of good items for cooking, which I love to do. And that is pretty much it in terms of the family room. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at where we live. And most of the time we are outdoor more to explore. We love being outside, but when we're not, this is where we're hanging out. So glad you had a chance to take a look and see where we live. So anybody that knows me knows I love to cook, and although this kitchen is tiny, it is packed with great big features. So let me show you around. We have great countertop space, so it gives us lots of area to prep and serve and get ready for any meal. We've also got plenty of storage space in terms of drawer space. This is where we keep our flatware. I've got all kinds of cooking utensils. Extra space down below. The other cool thing about this RV is that this is a pull-out island. So whether you need it for serving or actually want this area for prep, it just gives you additional counter space, which is really terrific. So push that back in. I love to cook, and the beauty of this RV is that we have a microwave convection combination. And the other thing for me personally, I love propane. So I've got a 3-burner propane stove. Love to cook with it, been doing it all my life, and super convenient and super easy. We've also got a couple great spaces down below. This is our sort of our coffee station. We've got cups and filters, you name it. This is our little coffee area. And then on the other side, this is just a small trash can area, so conveniently located to everything when you cook. And then moving right along, we have lovely deep sinks, which are terrific. Gives you plenty of space when you're doing dishes, and more cabinets, pretty much where we keep our dishes. So that's nice and organized. Also got a lot of great space for Tupperware and cutting boards, so that comes in super handy. And then what I love is we have a nice spice cabinet area, so in close proximity to the stove, I can pretty much reach everything I want for cooking. So I love that. Let's see. Pots and pans. I really tried to minimize what we bring along in terms of pots and pans for RV living, so I really have extra space under there, and that's it. So we have a full-size residential refrigerator. It gives us plenty of room for food and stocking up. We've also got a freezer, so super convenient. And then this last little area, this is pretty cool. It was supposed to be a pantry for canned goods. We actually turned it into an area for just our glassware, plasticware, if you will. And then on the bottom, we just have a lot of storage kitchen items, hefty bags, you name it. So that's pretty much our kitchen. We love it. It's super comfortable, but highly practical in terms of having everything you need to cook with. And it's my favorite room in the house, and we love it. So glad you had a chance to take a look. So this is our bathroom. We have a full-size shower, which is awesome. We each have a nice side sink, so that's pretty terrific as well. We've plenty of cabinet space. Keep all of our beach towels and bath towels nice and tidy down below. And we were smart enough to put in heated tile floors, so we have those in the bathroom as well as the whole RV. And we control the heated tile floors up on the panel, so on a cold day they really take the chill out of the RV. I have to thank my mom for her beautiful hook rug. She really brightened up our bathroom, and we absolutely love it. So thanks, Mom. It's really gorgeous, and thanks so much for all the hard work. It makes our bathroom look gorgeous. So when you come out of the bathroom, you come into our bedroom. We have a beautiful queen-size sleep number bed. We also have great underbed storage, so that's where we keep a lot of our gear. We also have cabinets up top that are nice and deep, so we keep our sheets. We've got extra towels and blankets up there as well. We each have a nightstand, and then kind of coming on around, little practical touches that we love. We've got a small little ceiling fan, but it gives us a lot of nice cool air. More drawer space, which is great for both of us. These two little cabinets are sort of all things electronic. And then one little feature we love, it's a tiny little clothes hamper. We put our dirty clothes in there. And then when it's time to do laundry, this is actually our closet / laundry room. So we have a washer and dryer. These are terrific. They work really well. You just do smaller loads, but it's actually awesome to have a washer and dryer on board the RV. We both have plenty of space for our clothes, and then we have a dedicated bin for shoes, hiking shoes, all that good stuff as well. And then what's nice up top is we have plenty of space for a lot of our gear. So we've got day packs and hiking poles, small weights, yoga mats. Let's see, We got a lot of stuff in here, which is really terrific. And then on this side, we each have 2 drawers, and then nice little cubby holes where we've got our jeans and fleece jackets. So that pretty much wraps up our RV tour. I think what we love the most about RVing is we have the familiarity and the comforts of home in our RV and the excitement and adventure of travel on the road. So we hope you enjoyed seeing where we live, and thanks for coming by. We hope we see you on the road.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Outdoor Moto Explorer. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we post a new video. And follow us on social media.